Hey guys, Erin Trafford back here again from erintrafford.com. I am a digital content strategist, influencer marketing, and branded content specialist. And today we're talking about why your blog isn't making you any money. Truth in advertising. I work with dozens, actually it's hundreds of bloggers and content creators to build their content empires. And what does that actually mean? It means make money. It means figure out how you can pull out your unique value in the world and turn that into something that is of value to you. And 99.999% of the time, that means I help you figure out how to make money on your site. And normally when I get on calls with prospective clients, or I'm getting comments, or I'm being asked questions in my Instagram DM, follow me, by the way, I'll put the link in the comments below. It's something along the lines of, gee whiz, Erin, I've been doing this forever and I'm not making any money and I'm banging my head against a wall and I don't understand why I would keep going. So I figured I'd do a super quick video for you, kind of outlining the most key things to consider if your blog's making no money whatsoever. Okay. Also, if you want to know how to make money on your blog, make sure you check out my other video about the top 3 ways that you can start monetizing your blog from the get-go. Okay, so here's the thing. You are not making money on your blog if you are not making data-backed decisions. If you refuse to read your analytics, if you don't fully understand what your content is doing, if you don't know who's reading your blog, you're never going to be able to make decent money, consistent money, strategic money, because frankly, the money is in understanding the numbers. The numbers will tell you how much you can charge for your display ad revenue, when you can join the Mediavine ad network. The numbers will tell you how to direct your readers toward affiliate sales that are going to convert for you. The numbers will tell you if you are ready to launch a digital product that could bring in extra passive income from your blog. The data will tell you how to approach prospective sponsors and partners. And oh my God. So lately I've been hearing from people that rumblings that in 2020 that partnerships are drying up, that people are getting to the 11th hour with negotiations, and then agencies and brands are pulling the plug on the entire deal. And I'm going to be upfront with you and tell you that has not been my experience at all. And it's simply because I take the time to be strategic about what the numbers mean. And the only way that I'm able to do that, one of the ways I'm able to do that is because I understand the data and I can tell the brand where I think things are going to go. So you are not making any money if you are not making data-backed decisions. The next reason is totally practical. You might not be making any money on your site because there might be something technically wrong with your site. So if you have a bunch of broken links, if you've updated your social media handles but haven't updated the backlinks, if you've got a broken theme, if your site is not mobile responsive, that could mean you're not making any money. Here's reason numero 2. You're not making any money if you aren't fully leveraging your content strategy. If you had a viral post 6 months ago and you did nothing with it, you're not going to make any money. You're not going to make any money because you haven't put a strategy in place behind that growth. And it's okay if you don't have it all figured out at once. I mean, goodness, a strategy is something that just evolves over time. But if you are just willy-nilly, fair weather, wanting to do it when you want to, if you aren't taking it seriously, if you aren't being at least strategic with the time that you do have, the likelihood of you making anything decent off of your blog is slim to none. So, stop expecting champagne on a beer budget, right? If you want champagne, you got to put champagne level of effort into your strategy. Your strategy doesn't necessarily mean working all the time. Guys, I am anti#hustle. But I am totally pro smart strategy. So if you have no strategy, likelihood you're not going to make much money, or when you do, it's just going to be a flash in the pan. Last reason you might not be making any money is because you're not talking about it enough. You have to tell people now in the digital age about something that you're doing 20 times before they're going to take action on something. So you may feel like you are sick to death of talking about your latest blog post, your latest YouTube video, the latest thing you put up on Instagram. But here's the thing, if you actually want your site and your content to grow, you gotta talk about it. You've gotta get comfortable in your skin as a content creator. You've gotta know that what you're doing is creating a content empire that is going to serve you and your life going forward, that it's going to be backed by all of your personal values and your unique personality, girl, because you've got it in you. So here's the thing, if you're not actually talking about it, if you're being sheepish, if you're being a shrinking violet, people are gonna feel that and they're not gonna believe in you and your content, and they're not gonna click through, and you're not gonna make any money. Okay, so today's video was a little bit cheeky, but like totally practical, guys. Like the key to making money, building your content empire, really is a blend of understanding the qualitative data and the quantitative data. What are the numbers saying, and what do you want to do with them? And put your unique spin on all of that. And above all, believe in the strategy. And hey, if you are at this point and you're like, but Erin, how do I develop a strategy? Good thing you're here. Click the link below to download my free interactive Trello planner that will help you kickstart your digital content empire in exactly the right way. Listen, I have built this free Trello planner based on the exact steps that I use with my high earning influencing and blogging clients. So this is like your step toward a proper plan and strategy, and I am giving it away to you for free. So make sure you check out all the links in the comments, click through, sign up, grab your planner, come back and tell me how you love it. I will see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.